Okay, so the next thing you need to do after you've set up MetaMask is that you need to get some Ether. Now, I've transferred some Ether into this account that I'll just temporarily use to display how the cell works before moving it out again. Now, you can get Ether from cryptocurrency exchanges. There are now several hundred of those, so you just have to Google the one for your jurisdiction or country or city or state that would work best. And then you just need to export or withdraw that money into your MetaMask account. So once we have Ether, we are also going to need DAI. Now, the thing is that the sale uses DAI so that the funds are in a stable form and not subject to the volatility of cryptocurrency and can be focused on the actual projects that are being built and supposed to be delivering value. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to use KyberSwap. KyberSwap.com. You go from Ether to DAI. So if you look at KyberSwap, you'll see at the bottom here, it says connect with MetaMask. So we're going to use our MetaMask to connect to KyberSwap. All right, so MetaMask, you'll see MetaMask has the little fox has a 1 under it. This should pop up. It doesn't always pop up, but if it doesn't, you can just click there on the little fox and you will see the screen. All right, so just to make clear, that's sort of like floating. So we're going to say connect. Also, you want to allow notifications on KyberSwap so that you know when swaps are done. It doesn't typically spam you, so that's quite safe. Okay, so now we look here and we see, okay, well, yeah, on the left-hand side we have from, and on the right-hand side we have to. So we want to go from, say, 0.1 Ether. So I just want to send 0.1 Ether, and on the other side, I want to get some DAI out. All right, so I see 0.1 Ether. Please don't send all your Ether through because you do need some Ether to actually pay for the transactions on Ethereum. Right, okay, so I'm just going to use 23 DAI for the time being. So I'm going to click here on swap now. All right, this gives me a breakdown of everything. This gives me what the maximum transaction fee will be. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. All right, again, MetaMask pops up. Please watch out for that little number there. If you click any of these buttons in this demo multiple times, and sometimes many will come up and you'll have to actually reject them. All right, but this one still looks okay. So we are going to go ahead and click confirm. All right, so this has now been submitted to the Ethereum blockchain. Depending on how busy the blockchain is, this can take a while, but if you have the default settings on for MetaMask, it shouldn't take more than 2 or 3 minutes. All right, so we're just going to give this a second to get mined. All right, and it's been successfully swapped. Okay, so now, go to your MetaMask. All right, you'll actually see that this value has updated. And if I go here to the menu, I will see that I now have 23 DAI, but I still have 0.995 Ether. All right, so at the Foundry sale now, that means that I actually have some DAI that I can enter into this